Oh, I love a rainy night, love a rainy night. It has been raining all day.
Ugh. Kind of a gross day out here. Just got back from the store. Aaron and Brooke went down to have lunch with some friends. So Tara, Ben, and I went and grabbed some lunch and then hit Trader Joe's for a couple of our regular items. So now we're back. Ben fell asleep on the drive, which is always good. Had to grab the rest of lunch. So Ben fell asleep. Was able to get him in. Hopefully he'll stay asleep and have a proper nap instead of a little tiny nap that just rejuvenates him and then makes him really cranky later. Yesterday when we got here, we disconnected and left pretty quickly. So we didn't really finish all of our setup. Like, we don't have the table out here. And I didn't put the Halloween lights back up. So I'm gonna do that right now. It is raining, but it's supposed to rain harder for the next 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do it now. Check out the size of this site. There's room behind. Well, there's like a lake back there now, but there's room behind the RV to park a vehicle. I've got the truck like that in front of the RV, and then Aaron was parking the van in front of that, and this huge, absolutely huge site, which is awesome. So let's put these lights up. That was pretty quick, very simple. I just have a in here, there's an outlet, and then there's a little panel here that you can lift up and you can run things down. There's one on the other side that I use for water hoses, so that runs down to a little photo sensor, and then just got these little purple and green ones. One strand runs along here, under the stairs, and up to here, and then we plug in the orange. It's more like a candy corn one. That one runs all the way down the side. So we like them, they're simple. I think I might leave these on all the time since Halloween is next week, instead of using the photo sensor, but we'll see. We like them. We actually might start using lights like this year round, because it's really nice coming home after dark and having there be like a nice glow along the bottom here. I know a lot of people put lights like down underneath their RVs, so maybe we'll start doing that. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside, dry off. I'm cold. It's like 50 and raining. It's kind of gross. Supposed to do it all weekend, which sucks because we're supposed to have another trick-or-treating thing here this weekend. So we'll see. We still have the big trick-or-treating next week in our old neighborhood. The weather's supposed to be good so far, so hopefully that holds. So I'm gonna go inside and do some string art with Tara. String art.
Again.
String art. Again. What's this one? It's a heart?
Yeah, it's called Heart Starburst.
Heart Starburst.
That.
Well, that's pretty. It looks like each color comes from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins or so. Okay.
No, like 5 pins.
5? Okay, so we're starting with orange.
And here it just comes apart.
Comes apart? What's coming
like
apart?
Like this. Like that.
Yeah. Okay, let me get my fingers in there and help you keep some tension on it. Man, this stuff is tedious, but it looks pretty good. So each of these colors wraps around like 5 pins, and then the next one stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks. So we're halfway through. We've done one of each color. Now we need to do all of it again, and then we wrap it in purple, and we're all done. So just a lot of tedious work, a lot of short ones. So you said the unicorn one was easier?
Because you just use the weight and you just wrap it around multiple ones.
Right, so you weren't tying every color
Yeah,
2
see,
times. And
It
yeah.
says to like just wrap it around, and then you do the horn, and then you. No, I think you do the horn first. No, you do the horn last,
Okay.
and then you do the.
But it was easier
hair.
because you like tied it once, did a whole bunch of stuff, and then tied it again. Right?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Okay, so let's do the other half, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, we got all of the colors on there. Looks pretty good so far. We've got it all flattened out, though, just so the pins didn't start pulling out. But, so next up, there's what, a purple thread around the heart. We'll slide these guys up to give it a little bit of depth. See what that looks like. And then I think it'll be done. Okay, we're all done. There you go. Pulled the sides up a bit so it gives it a little depth, and it looks pretty good. You like it? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up. Okay, all right. Woo! Okay, so Mom and Brooke are on their way home, and then we're gonna watch The Incredibles 2.
Yay!
All right. So how are these different?
They're
Ooh.
like everything bagel.
Ooh.
They're
Costco.
good. Yes, Costco dinner rolls.
Nice. Nice.
They're very tasty.
How many did you eat on the way home?
2.
Mm-hmm.
Take them.
Is that Brookie?
That's Brookie.
Look what I got.
Is that Brookie? What is that?
It's a drawing thing.
A drawing thing. Oh, it's like a magnadoodle, a Minnie Mouse magnadoodle.
Mm-hmm.
That is awesome. Did you have a good day?
Because you don't push any buttons.
No buttons. It's
Yep.
just a doodle.
Yep.
All right. Did you have a good day?
And I have a book too.
It's got a book. Is that things to draw?
Yeah.
Is that what's in the book? Look, you can learn how to draw Minnie's bow.
Yeah.
Oh, I love a rainy night. Love a rainy night. It has been raining all day. And it's going to rain all night and into tomorrow. I think it's supposed to stop. Can you hear the rain?
Yeah.
It's so loud.
Probably.
But we love this campground. We talked about it yesterday, how we like to stay here because it's not that expensive on the off season. But there's also an Italian restaurant that I can walk to. That's on
the weekends.
It's open on the weekends, and we can walk on Friday night. And they have like the most amazing house dressing. So I always get a side salad, and then we order a side of vodka sauce.
Scratch made to order.
Oh yeah, they make it to order, and they fill up an entire cup with it. So we have sauce for a couple days. Then we order half a dozen garlic knots, and they are delicious.
Yes, they are.
And everybody likes them. So usually we'll get this, and then we'll just make pasta, and then pour the sauce over it. Kids can have it however they want. But we had some leftover pasta from dinner with my dad last night, so the kids will eat that, and we'll have garlic knots and salad, and it'll be delicious.
And then dessert is going to be
What?
spiced cider from Trader
Yes.
Joe's.
Warmed.
Oh,
It'll be so good.
So good, especially when it's cold and rainy and ugh.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's been in the 50s all day. Did you even get to the 50s?
No, the sun hasn't made much of an appearance, so.
It was kind of a miserable day.
Yep.
I'm just glad to be home now and not have to be out in it.
Yeah.
Even though I walked to get the delicious food.
Well, the dog had to be walked too, so.
Yep. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at 5togo.com and patreon.com/5togo. See you tomorrow.